Good day and welcome to another TallOrder training video. Today what we'll be covering is how to log in as a waiter. First thing that's going to happen is you need to set up your waiter user PIN in the back end. This is normally done by a manager or the installation officer who is assisting you with your TallOrder installation. So what's going to happen is once you have your relevant PIN set up, what you can do is you're going to be presented with the screen at the beginning of every single shift. You're going to type in your relevant code, and then from there, it will open up the screen where each and individual waiter will be able to see his or her selected tabs. If you would like to switch users, you can always just click on this little button on the top here, which contains the two faces. If we go click on it, it will present us with the same login screen, and from here on, we can type in our codes again. Main difference is if we are using a fingerprint reader, you will still be seeing this code as a backup should the fingerprint reader cease to function due to hardware failure. But from here, you can just type in the same code again. You'll be presented with the same screen again. And from here, you will be able to place your orders. Should you need any assistance throughout the day with the application, you can always click on this little life buoy on the top right-hand corner over here. Then what's going to happen is it is going to present you with our contact number. And should you wish to report a ticket and log a ticket, you can just click on the Open Help Center and it will automatically open up Freshdesk for you where you will be able to submit a ticket to TallOrder. Please note that our team is here on a 24/7 basis, so should you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us at any time. You will also be able to find our telephone number at the bottom of this Fresh Day screen over here, which you can use to dial direct. Hope everyone has an awesome day.